Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing fine. Now I'm going to start unit number 5 of class 2 from your book New Oxford Primary Science. Kindly open page number 37. Exercises. Choose the correct answer. Which of these would be useful for a wild animal that eats meat? इनमें से कौन सी चीज़ फ़ायदेमंद होगी जंगली जानवर के लिए जो हिरन खाता है? Number 1. Ability to run fast, तेज़ दौड़ने की ताकत. The ability to move quietly, खामोश रहना की सलाहियत. Large claws and teeth, खतरनाक बड़े पंजे और दांत. All of above. Definitely D option, all of above. It required everything. Which of the three can come from hen? इनमें से तीन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो मुर्गी से आती हैं? गोश्त, yes. Eggs, yes. Feathers, yes. Milk, no. So 1, A, B and C will be circled. Which of these animal is a scavenger? मादा खौर कौन है इनमें से? घोड़ा नहीं, बियर नहीं, vulture yes, deer no. So option C. Which of these have webbed feet? किसके चल्लीदार पैर होते हैं? Ducks, bears, fish या goat? Definitely duck. Which of these is a wild animal? इनमें से कौन सा जंगली जानवर है? Horse, घोड़ा नहीं, kitten, बिल्ली का बच्चा, bear, भालू, sheep, भेड़. Definitely C, bear. Part 2. Fill in the blanks using the words in the box. Number 1. We get silk from silkworm. Number 2. A dash is kept as a pet. Cat. Number 3. A dash lays egg. Hen. Number 4. We can get wool from definitely sheep. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay dash in water. Eggs.